Hi, Steve Zoller here from KMT Enterprises. I'm here today to show you just exactly how easy it is to install the grip lock interchangeable thumb system into your brand new bowling ball using the KMT personal ball jig. I've already got a ball all laid out, so all we have to do is punch the hole in it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. The first thing that you'll want to do is line up your 1 3/8 inch drill bit onto the ball before you have it placed into the jig to make your alignment easier once you get it in the jig. And all you need is a straight edge, and I've got a quarter scale here, and we're going to line this quarter scale up exactly on the crosshair that we've drawn for the top edge of the thumb hole. Place the flat edge of the drill bit against the quarter scale and on the center line, like so, and make a punch mark with the drill bit. That'll make it easier to find our spot once we get the ball in the jig. And that's what we're going to do right now. The pitch that we're looking for is a 1/4 inch left by a 1/4 inch reverse. In order to get that, we need to use the number 5 plate, which I have installed on the jig. So we're going to install the 1 3/8 inch drill bit into the pitch plate. Place the ball into the jig. Put the thumb screws in. And line up our center line with the 45-degree mark on the pitch plate. The next thing we want to do is make sure that our drill bit is dropping into that hole that we punched into the ball previously. That way we'll be sure that we've got the drill bit in exactly the right spot. And that looks like the spot we want. The other thing that we need to do is install our 5/8 inch spacer to make sure that we don't drill the hole too deep. So all we have to do is tighten everything down and drill the hole. Okay, let's take this apart and see if everything worked out the way we wanted it to. Now you want your outer sleeve to slide into the hole snugly, but not so snug that you can't twist it around. In order to get a good bond. Now if you're using a round inner, like this one, all you have to do is line up the marking on the outer sleeve with the bottom part of your grip center line, just below the thumb, like so, and glue it into place, and you're all set to go. If you're using an oval inner, like this one, what you can do, and there are several different ways you can do this, you just have to find your own method that works for you. But what I like to do is put my fingers into the ball like they're going to go, as if I'm picking up the ball. Leave my thumb partially exposed so that I can see the flat edge of my knuckle. Draw a line here, like so that I can see where the flat edge of my knuckle was. Take your straight edge again and mark that out a little bit more clearly. And then make a mark on the ball where the marking on the outer sleeve is, and from there you can do a number of different things. You can, let's say, draw a line, let's say from the center of your grip over to that mark, and you've created an angle here that you can measure with a prosect. And then you can duplicate this setting on any ball. If you don't have a prosect, you can make a mark at the back edge of the ball, measure down to the back edge and record that number. In this case it's 3 5/8 down from the center of your grip, and over a 1/2 inch. However you choose to do it, whatever works, it's going to get you back into the same spot every time you drill another ball. If you want to spend the money, you can buy one of these handy little devices from Grip Lock. And use this to install your thumb. And you work it the same way. You line up the line on the back of the outer, and just so you can see it, there are markings on this device, and you just turn the device until the center line of it lines up with the line that you've drawn over here, and then you can count the number of notches that you had to turn in order to get there. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notches over would put me right back in the exact same spot every time I drill another ball. This system makes it easy for anyone to drill their own equipment at home using their own handheld drill and the KMT personal ball jig. I carry the Grip Lock system in stock along with the 1 3/8 inch drill bits necessary to drill the hole. For more information, go to my website, kmtballjig.com, or send me an email at kmtproshop@hotmail.com.